We're not talking about Navy Federal no more for the rest of the year. We are talking about, in my opinion, the best credit union this year, and it's called the Sun-East Federal Credit Union. Get your pen, get your paper, because we got things to talk about. YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Whoiskingshawn, and we back again with another classic. Yes, on this channel, we talk about anything that got to do with finance, anything that take you and your family to that next level. So, yes, I know you asking and you're saying, why do you have Navy Federal crossed out on the thumbnail? Because people, a lot of the hacks when it comes to Navy Federal is oversaturated and they are burnt out. Navy Federal have caught on to a lot of things. When it comes to getting a lot of these personal loans, these auto loans and checks, and you already know the story. So we are moving on, and we're talking about the Sun-East Federal Credit Union. Now, this credit union is based in Pennsylvania. It's located in Pennsylvania, but it is open to anybody in the United States. The only thing they ask is that you donate, listen to me clearly, donate $10 to the Sun-East Foundation. This is simple. This is easy. You could go right on their site when you're applying and you donate to the Sun-East Foundation, and you will be eligible to open accounts and, take yourself to the next level. Now, with this credit union, you can open up checking accounts with no minimum balance, no maintenance fees. On top of that, they have 2 personal credit cards that you could get. They have a business credit card you can apply for. They have a business line of credit that you can apply for. And on top of that, the personal loan and the auto loan have very, very low interest rate, which is great. Anytime, I try not to borrow any money, but when I do, it has to be a very, very low interest rate because I have excellent credit and I refuse to pay a notch, anything over the average when it comes to interest rate, when it comes to these banks taking our money. You know how to do. You borrow 10, 20, 30, 50,000. They want to add 10, 15,000. No. Them interest rates have to be 2% and under for me to apply for. Now, the only issue that you might have is that when it comes to credit unions, 8 out of 10 credit unions, let me make it clear. If you are in that check system, let me say that clear. If your ASS is in that check system, you will be denied. Now, you know how it is in the past. Everybody go through hard times. You might have had that checking account that had a $10 balance. Late fees added, another $35, you're up to $45. Next you know you owe them $100 something. And you said, well, let me just run over to Wells Fargo and open a new account. I refuse to pay that $150 or $200. What they do to people like y'all is that they put y'all in something called a check system. Now, before, people used to ask, how do I find out if I'm in a check system? At one point, it was very hard. Very, very hard. You could look it up, www.checksystem.com, and you could go right on their site, easy, and you could find out if you are in the check system. You could get your personal profile, just like when you're applying for your credit report. You could go right on the checksystem.com and get your own report, and they'll show you your past. I mean, the 10 years, 15, 20 years. If you ever owed $1.99, maybe in a Wells Fargo that you figured you didn't want to pay and it got closed, your ASS is in that check system. So what's going to happen, not only that you're in that check system, and when it comes to credit union, 8 out of 10 credit unions will deny you if you're in that check system. So you need to find out if you're in that check system, not only to apply for this credit union, but you need to know, you need to get that cleared up, because in the future, if you want to do business and you're looking for business loans, things like that, you will be denied. And I don't think you want to be denied. Let's say you're just trying to go get a little $2,000 personal loan. They will deny you. You will say, I have a 750 credit score. How can I get denied? That's impossible for me to get denied. Oh yeah. Your ASS is up in that check system and you don't even know it. You saying, oh, my Credit Karma says I have a 750. My experience says I have a 760. How can I be denied? Yes, because you're in the check system. So I'm not going to go into the whole check system thing. I know people keep asking me to do videos on the check system. It's not too much to do a video on. It's pretty simple. You're going to go right on the site, right? And you're going to try to get your check system credit report. Anything you did in the past when it comes to banks, late payments, overdrafts that you didn't want to pay that closed and they reported to the check system, it will be there. You need to find yours out and you need to get yourself you need to get yourself out that check system, because that's going to hurt you down the line if you're going to try to grow, especially when it comes to business and especially when you want to deal with credit unions. Credit unions are the best, hands down, I will have to say. So that's the only main part that is a problem that I'm stressing, is that you need to not be in that check system. And you need to find out if you are in the check system. And if you are, you need to get yourself out that check system. So that's that. We're moving on. So when it comes to their credit cards, they have two credit cards. They have the Platinum Mastercard and they have the Platinum Reward Mastercard. Now, both of them has, of course, no balance transfer fees, and you get 0 APR for the first 6 months. Now, with the business credit card is a business Mastercard and is basically the same with no annual fees. So off the back, we're going to take a quick look of the interest rate. We're not going to go through all of them because, like I said, you're not going to be lazy and you're going to do the work. So we on vehicle right here. So let's see, they got vehicle, recreational, personal, and share secured. But we're going to check out the highlighted vehicle. Let me see what they talking about here. Up to 66 months, minimum loan of $5,000, APR is 2.49%. 67 to 75 months, minimum of $25,000 is 2.49% still. 76 to 84 months, minimum loan $40,000, 2.99%. And 85 to 96, minimum loan of $65,000 is 5.34%. Off the back, these APR rates for a car loan is actually really, really good, because I see people out there, they getting 10%, 15%, 20%. I even seen a person with 26% interest rate on a car loan. So this is just a quick look. Like I said, I could go through the personal loans, but I'm not going to do all the work for you. I need you to stop being lazy and do the work. And just to let you know, SunEast Federal Credit Union, they usually 99.9%, they pull from TransUnion. So, you want to make sure your TransUnion is looking good for any of these products. Anytime you're applying for the credit card, the personal loan, or the auto loan, they will be pulling that TransUnion. So now the good part, now I've been a part of the SunEast Federal Credit Union for 4 months. So in 4 months, I have accomplished more and got some great interest rate better than Navy Federal. I'm not knocking Navy Federal. Remember, I am a part of Navy Federal. I have their credit cards. I have their business credit card. I did personal loan, pledge loan. I did everything with them. But with this credit union, you could get 3 products and only get 1 inquiry. For instance, I got a personal credit card. I got a business credit card. And I got a line of credit all in 30 days. And only got 1 inquiry. That's their program they got. You could get 3 different, products and only get 1 inquiry. But you got to be in that 30-day window. You could go out there and get a personal loan. You could get the auto loan. And you could apply for the credit card all in 30 days and only get 1 inquiry. So overall, if you are part of this credit union, leave it in the comments. Let me know. I'm going to rock with them for the next 2 years, 4 months, and I already got a couple great products, high limits. My personal credit card is $25, and my business is $20,000. I mean, for 4 months, $25,000 on the personal credit card, $20,000 on the business in 4 months. I didn't accomplish that much that fast for Navy Federal. So this credit union is great. The interest rate on the personal loans and the auto loans is amazing. When I say amazing, I mean amazing, hands down. So if you're a part of them, if you're a part of this credit union, leave it in the comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me your experience. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm coming with a lot of content. Actually, once I finish this video, I'm dropping about 2 more videos. I'm going back to back because I'm trying to give you that information. At the end of the day, I got my life. I appreciate y'all. I've been posting the results that people been DMing me about. They've been getting deletions left to right. People have been getting credit cards, auto loans, medicals, phone bills, all kind of collections been getting deleted. I've been posting them. I still got more in the archive to post. I'm going to get around to it. I'm one person. I'm busy. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Like, comment. But for now, I'm up out of here.